Hello everyone, welcome to our Tradeschool YouTube channel.
Hi everyone. Let we see the gold analysis for today and also see how gold perform in upcoming week. Let we check for any events today for gold. There is no high impacting news for gold today. There is news today for euro pairs. As of Monday, we can expect medium movements in gold, but due to war anything may happen. DXY is very strong and bullish. When dollar is strong, gold will be weak, but technical or fundamental won't work during geopolitical events like war. Now gold is getting bullish, but anything may happen in any time. Remember Ukraine war last year where gold fell down massively. When we see before 20 days performance of gold, it was in downtrend and it broke out the parallel trend line and moved up. We can clearly see gold was in uptrend and expecting to move up again in upcoming day. Gold was in bullish mode. As we know, trend is our friend, so we can place buy orders for profit making with proper stop loss. We can see the spinning top in day candle as marked in chart, and next candle was also bullish, so we expect gold to move up in upcoming days. When we check onto candlestick patterns in day candle, we can find 3 white solidars formation. The 3 white soldiers pattern indicates a shift from bearish to bullish sentiment, so we can expect gold to reach all-time high range of 2074. Let the possibilities of gold movements today. If gold get little bit down, it might get support from previous resistance area. Resistance can become support in the range of 1990 to 1993. Our first buy zone for gold is 1990 to 1993. It was our previous resistance area. We have also marked our second buy zone in the range of 1985 to 1986. Our third buy zone was in the range of 1980 to 1982. Place proper lot and proper stop loss to reduce your risk. We know very well all-time high for gold is 2074. There is more possibilities for gold to reach this range as war persists. Investors seeks for safe investments like gold. We have marked the sell zone in the range of 2023 to 2028. Use proper stop loss while placing the orders. As since gold was in bullish, let we see the possibilities how gold can move today. If gold comes for retracement, we can buy gold. Gold can retrace as like make it in the chart. Gold break 2000. Currently gold is still strong bullish. For now, we will wait for retracements until the breakout zone, or we wait 2010 price breaks and pullback before we continue buy. Tomorrow is monthly closing for October. Just manage risk as marked in chart. These are the possibilities of gold to move up after retracement, or can also move up from current market price. We can buy for up days. Our first target is 2023 and the second target was 2072. In our yesterday video, we have given candlestick patterns. Kindly check the video and correlate with today in gold day candles. To get more educational videos and more signals, open account with our recommended forex broker OCTA. Link given in description. Once opened, contact us. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Join our Telegram group, link in description.